FIFA World Cup 2026 has already started breaking records. Here are 5 shocking facts most fans don't know yet. Fact 1. The 2026 FIFA World Cup is the first ever to be hosted by 3 nations at the same time: USA, Canada, and Mexico. Never in World Cup history has one tournament been shared across 3 countries. This is completely new territory. Fact 2. Cristiano Ronaldo at 41 years old is heading into his 6th World Cup, still without the trophy. No player in history has played 6 World Cups at this level. This is his absolute last chance. Fact 3. The ball used in the 2022 World Cup had a tiny computer inside it to help referees make fair decisions. And the 2026 ball is even more advanced. Football is not just a sport anymore. It is technology. Fact 4. There were no World Cups in 1942 and 1946 because of World War II. That is the only time in history the tournament was ever stopped. Wars stopped football. Nothing else ever has. Fact 5. The 2026 World Cup has 48 teams playing 104 total matches across 16 cities. The previous record was 32 teams and 64 matches. This World Cup is literally almost double the size of any before it. Which fact shocked you the most? Comment below and follow for daily World Cup 2026 facts and updates.